We're in the car on the way to
Universal.
Yay! Harry Potter! People movers! Yay!
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove. Yay! In all the colors. Summer love. Remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green and all the colors. Summer love. Remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air conditioned blues. Good to use some too. A little bit of summer
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out
We just rode Kong. It's so hot. Oh, the Flyers is going again. We're sad that we can't go on that ride anymore. She's too old. Okay, bye. It's thundering and lightning. But we're still gonna hang at the park for a little bit. Livy loves it. My blowout is just, this is the end of the blowout, so oh well. Check you guys in the next clip. Bye. We have $26 ponchos. Rain, thunderstorms, lightning. We're still going through Hogsmeade so we can take a picture of the Jurassic Park gates. But yeah, this is fun. It's a rare moment when no one is walking through the gates of Jurassic Park. Guys, our fingers are pruned. So we're back at the condo, and yeah, that was fun. We left the park early. We were originally gonna stay till 9 when it closed, but because it was so rainy, we decided to leave early. Our shoes were doing this squishy, squishy, squishy sound. So even if we had stayed and waited for the rain to subside, it probably would have been just miserable walking around the park in shoes that were that soaking wet. So we decided to call it and we came home. So we're just gonna relax. I think we both just took showers and see what tomorrow brings. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna break this vlog up into pieces and maybe just do this one as the Universal Day, and then we have Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios and my 2 separate ones for those, but we'll see. So if this is the end of the vlog, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys. So there's a lizard over here on this little cup and we're trying to get it, and Livy is freaking out. I gave her a towel to try and catch it. I don't know how this is gonna go.
Okay, I have an idea.
Okay, I'm gonna stay here. What the hell? What are you getting? Oh my God, that plate's gonna end up breaking. It's gonna run away. I wouldn't use the plate. I would just try and catch it with the towel. Definitely ran away. Pick up the towel, make sure it's not there.